Formatting tables and text in Excel and sending to PowerPoint. To format worksheet cells as tables within Excel, select the cells you wish to format as a table. Then select Format Selection from the Tables group in the Create tab. The Tables dialog box will open with the same options that appear in PowerPoint. When you click a style from the list, you will see a preview. The first set of whole table formats are numeric. These will right align the body of the table. When you click OK, this will apply the formatting to the selected cells that were applied in the Preference Manager settings and close the dialog box. The border formats are also available on the Tables group in the Create tab, just as they are in PowerPoint. Click on the arrow to open the task pane. You can now remove or apply a border to a selected row or cells. For example, to apply a border to the Totals row, select the cells, and then click Totals from the Borders task pane. To format worksheet cells as table text within Excel, select the cells and choose Format Selection from the Tables group. The Tables dialog box will open. When you click a text style from the list, you will see in the preview pane that everything is left aligned in the table formatting. When you click Apply, this will apply the formatting and the dialog box will remain open. You can now apply additional formatting to your table. For example, if I want to format Oasis International, I select the cells and I can choose Fill in Font Color and apply a fill in font color. And when I'm happy with my selection, I can either click Apply or click OK to close the dialog box. You can also apply other styles to your table. Select your table data. Choose Format Selection from the Tables group. Apply your table style, then select the cells or rows you would like to apply a new style to. From the Cell Formatting tab, select the style, which also has a preview. If you have made changes and altered the font size previously, say increased or decreased the size, then you would leave the Set Font Size unchecked. However, if you check it, it will reapply the default font size. You can also check or uncheck the Set Border option, and you can set the alignment. Once you are happy with your selection, click Apply to leave the dialog box open, or OK to close it. To copy a table into PowerPoint, first ensure that your cursor is in an empty placeholder where you want the table to sit. Return to Excel and select your table data. From the Tables group, from the Send to PowerPoint drop-down menu, you have the option of formatting your table as you send it to PowerPoint, sending it as a picture original size, sending it as a picture scaled to fit the placeholder, as a worksheet object, or you can preview and scale your Excel columns. I'm going to send it to PowerPoint fully formatted. The Table Format dialog box will open and select the table style you would like to apply. Then click OK. Your table is formatted and placed inside your PowerPoint document. To send an Excel table that has already been formatted to PowerPoint, first ensure your cursor is inside a placeholder. Then from Excel, select your table data. And from the Tables group, from the Send to PowerPoint drop-down menu, you have the option of sending as a picture original size, which will not size the image to fit the placeholder, or as a picture scaled to fit, which will scale the table to the width of the placeholder, or as a worksheet object, or you can preview your table before sending it to Excel. I'm going to send as picture original size. The table is pasted into PowerPoint as a picture. You know this because the picture tools are available, and it is the size that it was in Excel. To send a table to fit the width of the placeholder, first ensure your cursor is inside a placeholder within PowerPoint. Return to Excel and select your data. From the Tables group, from the Send to PowerPoint drop-down menu, choose As Picture, Scale to Fit. Your table is placed inside of PowerPoint as a picture as the picture tools are available, and sized to the width of the placeholder. As you can see, the table on the left has been sent as picture original size, whereas the table on the right has been scaled to fit the width of the placeholder, therefore enlarging the font. To send your table to PowerPoint as a linked worksheet Excel object, first ensure your cursor is inside of a placeholder within PowerPoint. Return to Excel and select your data. From the Send to PowerPoint drop-down menu, select As Worksheet Object. This will place your table into PowerPoint as a linked worksheet object, and your table will be available in the View Links dialog box. You can resize your table to fit the selected placeholder in PowerPoint without applying any formatting or copying the selection to PowerPoint. The selected columns will be sized to the correct proportions in Excel, and once in PowerPoint they will be sized at 100%. That is, the widths of the columns will be reduced or increased proportionately to fit the selected placeholder in PowerPoint. First, ensure your cursor is in a placeholder in PowerPoint. Then, in Excel, select your table data, and from the Send to PowerPoint drop-down menu, in the Tables group, choose Preview Scale Excel Columns. As you can see, the columns in the table have been scaled proportionately to fit the placeholder within PowerPoint. Now you're ready to send your table to PowerPoint. From the Send to PowerPoint drop-down menu, in the Tables group, choose As Picture Original Size. Your table has been placed into PowerPoint as the original size. You can select cells in Excel and copy the data to paste within an existing table in a Create PowerPoint document. The copied cells will retain the formatting applied within the destination table in PowerPoint. For example, select the cells you wish to copy, and from the Tables group, select Copy Subset. Go to PowerPoint and click into the first cell of the range to be replaced. From the Tables group, on the Create tab, click Paste Subset. Your data has been replaced and retained the formatting applied to the table.